Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and today we're going to talk about the Moraine Airpark again. And we had a spring clean there in 2004, and we just told people when you turn off the taxiway, look for the big Yankee star on the back of the garage. We had just moved into the house. We spent the weekend putting the star on the back of the garage, and then we added windows to it much later on. As you notice here, we hadn't even painted the porch yet in red and blue. I'd like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. And so here we go with the wash rack, and there it is all set up with the hoses and the buckets and the sponges and the brooms. All that's provided by the AYA at the time, and Luann and I were regional directors for the Great Lakes region. And there's all the airplanes waiting in line for their turn at the wash rack. We had a couple of perennial favorites, and of course, since we cooked food in the clubhouse and we served it, it was on a donation-only basis. We got a lot of takers because Grumman pilots like to eat, and somebody even had a dog bowl out there for the visiting puppies that we had that year. So anyway, ladies and gentlemen, it was very interesting to see all the Grummans, and here's what they look like parked in the grass outside of the FBO after they're all nice and clean. We had quite a few of them out there. I think we had like 9 Grummans washed that year. Pretty impressive turnout for a regional fly-in. So like I said, we had a pretty good turnout that year, and 2004 was the year that we were all going to be going to Baraboo, and there is one of the convention chairs right there wearing a Baraboo shirt showing up at the plane wash to kind of advertise it. And then we all went on to Bolton and Muncie and had other fly-ins to advertise Cliff and all's fly-in that was coming up. So now you see the clean queue. We hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman.